Philip, what you gonna do to the storm? You gonna shoot him? You gonna shoot him in the toilet? And what's the storm's name? His name Booty. Thunder. Thunder. And rain. Lightning. Lightning. Alright. What you doing? Why are you swinging on the door? Raspberry coming. You gonna take your toys? Come here. Get out the refrigerator.